All right, so I feel like I was just here, but it's these scripted news stories, right? I just can't help myself. It's still May 17th, 2023. And look, death toll up to 7 after hippo capsized canoe in Malawi. 17 missing is what it says in this article, okay? Hippo, short for hippopotamus, right? Charged into the canoe in southern Africa, right? Malawi, 17 missing. Look, 17 missing. Hippo, when hippo equals 17 in gematria, right? And kill has the 17 as well. And you see the reflection in hippo, 71. And that's if you run the alphabet in reverse. Look at the chart. This is real simple, okay? Gematria, okay? Jewish mysticism comes from Kabbalah, okay? Words and numbers, ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay, we use 4 ciphers, 4 words. This is reverse, and we apply numerology to both ciphers, okay? Moving forward. Look, hippo syncs up with kill, ordinal, ABC 1, 2, 3, and reverse. Look, if you're new here, I mean, pretty simple. They taught us ABC 1, 2, 3. You know, they taught us the alphabet, the order it's in, for a reason. They just didn't tell us why. Okay? So, this happening Wednesday, today, it says, look, the canoe was carrying 37 people. It's Wednesday, 37 in gematria, right? Wednesday's got the 44 like kill. Again, this is Southern Africa, right? I didn't put it, I forgot to put it in here, but I think Southern Africa equals 38, right? Like murder, death, killing, RIP. It's either Southern Africa or South Africa. One of them. You see a canoe right there. Okay, in Malawi. And look in the title, hippo capsized canoe. You get the 103, the reflection 301, and the same with the 59 and 95. And look at Malawi in the most pure cipher 23. It's the year 2023. Now look at these other articles now. 23 missing. What a script. I'm sure I'll be back again real soon, right? But the scripted story by the numbers. Death toll up to 7 after hippo capsized canoe. In Malawi, 17 missing. When hippo and kill equal 17 in gematria. Math Tucon. Until next time.